Watch it, dog. Watch it, people. The big bumper clad truck that's come slam out the car them. About 3 car lick. This one truck here, sir. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Watch out. Him dark right now. Fuck him off, fuck up truck man, and I'm gonna blame him. Watch out. Enough of them man that bumper clad. How you mean? A true man. Yo. She don't even know me there in my clothes right now. For all him and beat him bumper hole. I am there for evermore. Watch out. Watch out the people them right. Everybody that come from blood clot work. Watch out. Them dirty waste man there. So watch it. I am there step on the truck same way, sir. So I am step on the truck same way, sir. So I am step on the truck same way, sir.
I'm nervous, I'm nervous.
Nervous?
That's cool.
You're lucky I'm doing this right now. I'm going to drag you out of this right now, my bad man. Yeah? About nervous. What? Come off the truck, man. Yeah. Come off the truck about what I say. Come on, come. Yo, you don't even know. You're lucky I live in my family that's in my life at the bumbo place in the dog.